kamera käy. Saa aloittaa.
Hello people, and welcome to the ESSA unboxing channel. Firstly, I would like to tell you people about our little channel. This channel is dedicated to, well, produce the best and high quality videos of unboxing videos, and well, we really take this very seriously, and I would like to also introduce you people to our theme. First, here is Tatu, our driver, and he is going to
drive.
yes. He's keeping an eye on the traffic so we can produce this video. And here behind the camera,
Hello.
is Sami. And Sami has a very lot experience handling cameras, so he knows.
I am perhaps the most skilled cameraman in the city of Helsinki.
Yes.
This is true. I am the most skilled driver in the city of Helsinki.
However, let's move on with the unboxing.
Yes. And my name is Esa, as
The most skilled
the most skilled
unboxer.
unboxer. Exactly. Yes. But now, let's continue. We just went to the Finnish store called Verkkokauppa. It's located in Helsinki, Jätkäsaari. And we bought this tripod for our projector that we bought earlier. Unfortunately, we don't have any videos on unboxing the projector, but well, I can tell you people about the projector later on. But now, the tripod innovator. This tripod about costs was it 40 euros?
I think so, something
Yes.
like that.
And
May I add that the box looks absolutely amazing.
yes, it does. You can really see here that people have invested on this product. This Velbon DF-40
Product.
and here is the photo of it. Deluxe lightweight photo video tripod. Yes. And it has three-way panhead with quick release plate, bubble level for fine adjustment, geared center column with preset friction control for precise vertical positioning, and three-section radically braced aluminum legs with quick release leg locks and non-slip rubber feet, so it doesn't fall off easily.
And all this for 40 euros from verkkokauppa.com.
Nice. This is very impressive.
Yes. Let's unbox this so we can see it a bit closer. No.
Oh, it has
It has
Bag.
a bag. It is.
oh my god.
Oh, and it really goes to a small space.
Oh, that's pretty small.
Yes.
Just like.
Okay, let's move on.
The unboxing.
Yes.
Nice.
This
Really looks nice.
Very elegant look. Very stylish.
Look at how it shines in the light.
And it has these locks as you can see here. And since you can extend this extra latch a lot. Oh shit. It has about you can say here that it goes. Oh, there it is. It goes to 1 meter and 50 centimeters long. Oh, yes. And when it's patched down to this, it's really about only 50 centimeters long.
That's pretty small.
Really small, yes. But what we are going to do with this is we are going to put our little LED light projector here, and we are going to shoot. We are going to connect that projector with our the ME cable that we bought. At the same time when we went to get this. And here it is. For the ME high-speed cable with Ethernet.
Where are we?
Oh, it seems that our primer tattoo that's
And where are we going?
Home.
Okay.
Just a little deeper.
But shall we continue with the unboxing?
Yes.
Go on.
Oh yes. Well, here it is, the cable that we are going to use on our projector that we are going to connect to my computer. And we are going to play out with that projector we are going to be able to play on a huge screen on the wall. Might and Magic Heroes.
The third game.
The third game. The best game. The best game.
Yes.
But this cable, it really looks good, doesn't it?
It really does.
Its box has a strange shape for a box.
Well, yes, it's not exactly a box, so it is a bit raised, that means.
You know, I'm not racist, but that box is wrong shape.
Yeah. It's like a soft box. I call this a box. This is a box. I think so. It's just how you describe a box.
Well, some people don't think this as a box. They think it as a bag.
Guys, I'm sorry to say, but we cannot discuss the metaphysical aspects of being a box much further because we are approaching the maximum video size our recorder can record at time.
How can we make unboxing videos if we don't even know what is a box?
Well, that's a very good question, Tatu. Let's focus on it on a later release of the ESA unboxing
Let's
videos.
just unbox this box.
Whoa. That was fast. Truly the moves of a professional unboxer.
Yes.
Tatu. There is a little thing that is bothering me with this.
Yes,
It's a bit huge.
it is.
Just like
It is huge.
Yeah. Well, it is 10 meters long, but there is these huge blocks here that, well, they are. When the projector is going to pass on this place here, then I am a bit concerned about how to.
Yes, I know what you mean. This is pretty heavy also.
But fortunately, we have on this tripod we have this kind of Sami, our cameraman, knows.
I know about tripods and cameras, and therefore that's called a bird's nest in the professional language of cameramen. It can also be attached to a LED projector.
Oh, yes. Ain't we fortunate that we have Sami along on our crew?
Yes, we are.
Thank the Lord for my existence. However, at this time I must say as your cameraman that it's time for our announcement about recruiting sponsors.
Yes, our sponsors. Yes, we have thought about this and we would be very happy if Verkkokauppa would be willing to sponsor us, as all these products were bought from Verkkokauppa. So we think it as a Verkkokauppa with the common duty to sponsor us. We are after all doing a good work here.
Yes, we
the
are.
best work.
And also we would like to note the Helsinki city administration that we are all Helsinki citizens who would like to also have a lot of sponsor money from the Helsinki city administration, because we are improving the image of the city all across the world.
Yes.
Yes, that's what we do.
However, this was our video this time, and Esa, say the words.
Esa Unboxing Channel, dedicated to produce the best unboxing videos and show them to you, people.